Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the next program that name is check the number is positive or negative. So we are going to take the input from user. Okay, so we have already created a file. Our Jupyter notebook is up and running, and we already created a file that name is a check the number is positive or negative. So here we are going to take the input from user, that's int num int. The number will be going to integer obviously, and it is input. Please enter the number. Okay, and we will to accept the number from user. Okay, so today program is nothing but the if else is condition program. Okay, it's a statement based program. So here we come to know if user enter any number, either it could be the 0, or it could be the null, or it could be the positive. Okay, so not a null, it could be the negative, or it could be the positive. So there are three conditions. Okay, so first condition we are going to check user is, if the number is equal to 0, we are going to print it is 0. If number is greater than 0, we are going to say it is positive. Else the number is greater than or less than 0, so we say it is a negative. So okay, so we have accept the number through this statement. This is the input statement, and now we're going to check the first condition. If given number num is greater than 0, okay, this meant print given number is positive. Okay, that was a statement. Now next question. So another thing, else if num equal to 0. Okay, so next condition we're going to check. Either you should put this condition first. I think here you can change it. So I think I'm going to change this statement. First we're going to check this number is equal to this number is equal to 0. Then say given number is, okay, so now it's, we need to change the sequence. If the number is greater than 0, we can say print given number is positive. Okay, else no need to check, print statement given number is negative. Okay, so that's the, we're just going to run the program. We're going to enter the 0. Okay, given number is 0. Again we're going to run it. We say -2, it's a negative, and we say 15, it says it is positive. Now we're going to again run it and give the space, and okay, so it's a invalid literal, okay, integer with the base 10. So if you give white spaces or other than integer, it will going to throw the errors. So you can check in base condition, but before we can apply one more test condition here or exception, either number is integer or not. Okay, so either 0 is an integer, greater than 0 values like 15, 10, 12, these are the integer value, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, these are also integer. So first we have to check the given input is integer or not. That you can check using the type operator, and you can do by yourself. Okay, so you can check the data type of the any object, and based on that you can see its given object or given input is integer or not. So that's it for this program. Thank you very much.